Oh no, a river runneth forth. Shit, fuck. God damn. Whew. Well, I took a couple scoops out. Check the meter. Meter ain't running. Wonder where all this fucking water's coming from. Shit. I'm wheezing, and this hole's getting deeper. Water update. Still coming. Shit, dog. Shit, dog. Fuck, give me your boat. Final update on the pond I have created. Do y'all want to go swimming? It's deep enough to bury this trap. Hell yeah. No more water, I guess. You thought for 1 second that there wasn't fucking water in here, you're a punk. It's right down there. Hell yeah, baby. Full of water. Fuck everybody. Fuck this footer. I don't give a shit. What?